Hi, lovelies. Welcome back to Fahima's World. I hope you're all doing well. Happy New Year to 24. I haven't recorded a video in almost 3 months. I'm really sorry, my loves. I know you missed me. I would like to appreciate all the people who have been reaching out to me in my Instagram, asking about how I am. How are you, Fahima? We miss you. Why are you not posting videos? Some people actually thought I have given up on my channel, but no, my loves, I have been busy. Some devastating things happened to me towards the end of last year, and I could not take it. That's why I took some time off social media to go through the whole process and come back more pretty, more energetic, more content. So, inshallah, I'll be making more videos. And to the people who are new to this channel, my name is Fahima. I'm Ugandan, and on this channel, I post skincare videos and I also do a little bit of motivation. You can check out my previous videos and also don't forget to subscribe. You are welcome to Fahima's World. Anyway, my loves, in today's video, we are going to talk about the different benefits of castor oil and how to use it to the face. For those of you who don't know what is castor oil is a thick and odorless oil that is extracted from the castor plant, and it's been around for so many years. People have been using it for both medicine and beauty purposes. Castor oil is mostly famous for growing hair. Like when you use castor oil on your hair, expect it to be growing like crazy. But a lot of people don't know that castor oil is really beneficial for the face as well. That's why I decided to do a video about it so that you, my lovely subscribers, can know about it. So this is the castor oil we are talking about. Depending on the country you're living in, it may come in a different bottle, it may be from a different brand, but this is what it looks like. And if you put your hand inside or your finger, you realize that this oil is very thick. And I would like to make it clear that if you're buying one to use on your face, not the hair, it's very important that you make sure you're buying the cold press, and also make sure that you are buying one that is stored in a glass bottle. I just believe it's safe for using on the face. So, number one use of castor oil on our faces, how we can use it is as a moisturizer. Castor oil, as I have told you, it's very thick, so it is easily absorbed in the skin, and it can give you like almost 24 hours of well moisturized skin. So for those of you who are like using lotions, you can put a little bit of castor oil in your lotion, in your jelly. So it is a very good moisturizer. Consider trying it out as a moisturizer by either applying it directly onto your skin, or you can mix it inside your lotion or Vaseline. So, second benefit of castor oil is that it helps to heal acne scars. So, for people who have suffered for like acne previously and you're struggling to heal scars in your face, try applying it every night before sleeping. In the morning, it will help heal your scars in a very short time. Castor oil can also be used to heal dark spots. Yes, lovelies, it has many brightening effects. So, if you apply it on areas where you have very dark spots, it will be really helpful to heal those black spots in a very short period of time. The other benefit of castor oil is that it can help to slow down the aging process of us women. You guys know that as women, as you're going into your late 20s, the hormones, a lot of things we use, we tend to start maybe showing stretch marks. You will notice that you don't look like how you used to look while you were younger. So, moving from your late 20s up to the 30s, we need to start looking at things that may help us to slow down the aging. And castor oil is one of those oils that can help you to look younger and more pretty. You know those people who struggle with like very dark eyes, people who want to naturally have brighter eyes, you can apply it directly into your eyelid, but be careful. Try to consult with a doctor and know that you are not allergic before you use it directly, okay? Even for the skin, try to use it maybe on your neck and make sure that you're not getting allergies or any kind of weird reaction. So for the eyes, people who have like very dark eyes, women will love to have brighter eyes. So if you're struggling with red eyes, please try dropping a little bit of castor oil into your eyes. They will look brighter and very pretty. So the other benefit or another way you can use castor oil on your face is by applying it to your eyelashes and eyebrows. You can use an old bottle of mascara and put in a little bit of drop of castor oil and then be using it to brush your eyebrows and eyelashes at night before sleeping, and it will really be helpful. Before I end this video, I would like to give one side effect of castor oil so that you will know before using it what is the side effect. You know, everything has a good and bad. So one of the major side effects of castor oil is if a person has oily skin. Remember, this oil is already very thick. If you come and apply it on too oily skin, it's going to block your pores and it will result into breaking out. Like you're going to get acne, you're going to get pimples. So make sure your skin is not oily. And people who are allergic, the moment you see that your skin is reacting in a different way, please slow down on the way you use it. Or if you know yourself that your skin is sensitive and you normally get pimples from trying out new skincare products, please do a patch testing. If you see that, oh my God, I'm breaking out from the castor oil, try to make sure that you stop it immediately. That is it about castor oil. If any of you guys know any other benefits of castor oil, you're welcome to let us know in the comment section. I have heard that it also helps with heavy cramps on our periods. You can also put a little bit of castor oil on a hot towel and press it on your tummy. Make more research. That is all I know about castor oil. I hope it is beneficial. I love you all. Please remember to like this video, share it, be active in the comment section, give me suggestions of which videos you would like to see me doing. Follow me on Instagram, same username, Fahima's World. I love you all and see you in another one. Mwah. Ciao.